Stressful situations can be made worse if the legal advice isn't up to par. That's why it's crucial to find the best.
Personal injury law covers a wide range of issues: car accidents, slip and falls, and even wrongful death. Here's what you need to know when you don't know where to turn.
Some of the areas that we focus on in injury law are anything that's related to a motor vehicle accident. You can be a pedestrian, you can be a driver of a motorcycle, or you can be involved in a trucking accident, slip and falls, or even, unfortunately, a wrongful death. I have a background in education. I was in education about 10 years. I have a strong passion for my community, helping others and giving back. That's one of the reasons that I became a lawyer. I wanted to make sure that I was giving back and that I was educating others. It's been my lifelong dream.
Markeishia guides people on what is often a painful journey, and it's what drives her.
We take car accidents on a contingent fee basis. What that means is we do not get paid unless you get paid. And that is an absolutely true statement. If you recover nothing, you don't owe us anything at all. If we are fortunate enough to get a recovery for you, then our recovery is 33 1/3 of that recovery. Basically what that means in very simple terms is if you win $1, we get 33 cents. At our firm, we have a hands-on and personal touch with each one of our clients. 90% of the clients get me when they call. I usually start out by talking to them, explaining the entire process so that they can get it in a way that makes them feel a little bit more easy and comfortable about it. I have a team. I have 2 dedicated case managers. I have an office manager and a wonderful legal assistant that all make sure that we're there for our clients. Our intake process is a really good time for us to not only get to know our clients and build a rapport, but it allows us to kind of assess how their claim is going to be. A crucial part of being injured in an accident is actually seeking treatment and following through with that treatment. In Florida, you're generally going to receive those services from a chiropractor. Each person's amount of time that they spend with a chiropractor is going to depend on the extent of their injuries, and it's going to be personal to them. The chiropractor is very important because they're going to be establishing that you are in fact permanently injured. So the best advice would be to make sure that you treat, to make sure that you're speaking with the chiropractor about specifically what you're experiencing, because we'll take that information by which to negotiate a settlement based on your specific injuries.
She can help folks navigate the complex world of insurance.
One myth that I want to make sure I address is this full coverage. The idea of full coverage is a good one, but it really does not exist. Full coverage is not something that you go to your insurance company and say, give me full coverage. Insurance is bought in pieces, and the most important piece that you need to remember to ask your insurance agent about is uninsured motorists, to make sure that you are covered in the event that someone hits you and they don't have insurance. In Florida, you're generally required to speak with your own insurance company and give them a recorded statement. You can have your attorney present on the line while you're giving that recorded statement. Further, in Florida, you are not required to speak with the at-fault party's insurance company at all, and we never allow those statements. If I were to give an example and tell you that if you're injured and you're treating and your medical bills run up to $20,000, remember we have something in Florida called PIP, or personal injury protection. Your personal injury protection would pay at least $10,000 of those medical bills, which would leave you with a balance of $10,000. Now, many people would wonder, well, where's that $10,000 going to come from? Well, that is going to generally come out of your settlement that we negotiate for you with the other party's insurance company. So I would advise that anybody that's hurt or injured in an auto accident seek some type of legal advice before speaking with an insurance company.
And while there are no guarantees, they'll work hard to get you the best possible result.
Whenever a person is injured in an accident, they are going to go through so many ups and downs. They're going to have good days and they're going to have bad days. I make sure that myself and my team is available for us to be able to see each client through every day, not just the good days at the end when they get a nice settlement that they deserve, but also on the bad days.
For more information about Markeishia Smith Law, visit thesmithlawfirm.org or go to our website, thebalancingAct.com.